welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to the Dole plantation. We've passed through this place once. I'm excited. It is 9:20. It opens at 9:30, so we have about actually 7 minutes to spare.
This is the waterfall you guys wanted to see.
The Dole plantation. Ooh, gift shop. Pineapple Garden Maze, Pineapple Express, Plantation Garden Tour. Come here, silly girl. It's not open yet. ¡Qué hermosura! I don't know how you got to be this big, Naya. Combo deal to do all three of them, the maze, the train, and then the tour. First stop, Pineapple Express. We'll take the third one.
One of those probably came out funny.
At all times, please refrain from eating or drinking, and if you should accidentally drop something
Avocado, sugar cane,
just tell us the market
banana,
dropped your item, and we'll be able to
pineapple ginger sauce, jalapeno lime, chili, pineapple bowl, teriyaki burger, and then some pineapple whip with pineapple toppings. We are doing the pineapple maze with Naya just so she can walk around and this be her thing. So I'm just gonna follow her around. It's pretty big. Pretty big. This is just the start right here.
Naya.
Where's Naya? Naya! Hi. Where's Naya? Naya! I see you! Next stop is Waimea Valley and Falls because we're gonna go swimming under a waterfall. I want to say I'm halfway there. I left Naya behind with Phoenix. I'm trying to get in there. I'm trying to check this waterfall out. Huge leaves. Found it! Yes! We did it. Aloha, please store all of your items. Blah, 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 blah. I am so excited. I feel so bad for leaving Naya behind and everyone behind, but I had to sneak away. However, I loved everything, and if I have to pay to go swimming, that's gonna be upsetting. I cannot believe I'm actually doing this. I bet it's freezing. Pretty cool. I have my watch on. I forgot to take it off. Here we go. It's cold. Ah, it's cold. I love it. Go over here. So excited. I'm still so excited. I feel like I left them so far back. Whale.
Careful, man.
It's alright. They are.
Oh my goodness, crazy.
You know how much Naya would love this? Okay.
The lifeguards are like this. Okay, okay.
They just got here. I want to say that they have small life jackets for kids. My baby girl's here! I'm so happy.
Go up, up, up. She got this like face.
Okay, you can take her now.
I got you.
Make sure you grab her from her body. Aloha! Say aloha! Aloha! That was pretty fun. I had so much fun. They have a snack bar and then they also have a shuttle in case you don't want to make the walk. But I honestly don't think it was too bad. It took maybe like 10 minutes. I want to say 10 minutes. It might have been more, but it felt like 10 minutes to get there. And it's all paved, so it's pretty easy. She's obsessed with my ring right now. Oh my god, you did catch something. I'm shook. That was pretty fun. Freaking loved it. I did get a Waimea coffee, and I thought that was pretty good. You're such a big girl.
Uh-oh. You didn't figure out how to go down? Okay.
She'll figure it out.
Now you're gonna show up, huh?
Yep, she's gonna keep on doing it.
Okay, time to go eat.
Let's eat, Naya. Oh my goodness. This is pretty cool.
Are you a monkey? Are you a monkey?
This looks so good. This whole trip was so much fun. I am about to make myself an acai smoothie. This is actually my first time having this. This is what the packaging looks like. Acai 0 sugar superfood packs, and I got these at Target. I don't have oat milk. I wanted to grab some yesterday, but I don't know why I didn't. I ended up putting it back and went with half and half. I might throw a splash of half and half. We'll see. Oh, how cute is this? This was from the Dole plantation, and I was throwing the biggest fit ever. Anyways. That was the hiccup, sorry. I'm gonna add some ice, just a little bit. I would have wanted to add that oat milk, but I don't have any. So half and half it is, just a splash. Some blueberries. A handful of blueberries. I don't think one is enough. Actually, let's try it out. You need some type of sweetener. This would actually work as a acai bowl if I was to add bananas and blueberries and some granola, the coconut flakes, some chai seeds. I think that's gonna make it a lot better, but because I am just having it as a smoothie, it's not bad. I am ending today's video right here. Today's shout out goes out to Jose Labra. Shout out to you, and if any one of you guys will also like a shout out, all you have to do is make sure to be subscribed and comment anything your big ol' heart desires. I love you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. It really helps me out. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to join the family, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.